Imagine a world where light never reaches, a world where pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level, a world that is colder than the Arctic. This is the Mariana Trench. Nestled in the western Pacific Ocean, the Mariana Trench is one of Earth's most fascinating and enigmatic wonders. This underwater canyon, with its staggering depths exceeding 36,000 feet, proudly holds the title as the deepest point in the world's oceans. It's a world where sunlight is a stranger, and the pressure can crush a submarine like an aluminum can. Yet amidst these extreme conditions, life persists in forms as remarkable as they are resilient. Its location, east of the Mariana Islands, lends it its name, while its depth, greater than the height of Mount Everest, lends it its fame. The Mariana Trench, a mesmerizing enigma, a place that defies the odds and continues to captivate and intrigue us. It stands as a testament to the boundless wonders our planet holds, many of which remain to be discovered. The Mariana Trench was discovered in 1875 during the Challenger expedition, but its depths remained largely unexplored until the mid-20th century. Imagine a world where the sun never shines, a place so deep that it could swallow Mount Everest whole and still have over a mile to spare. That's the Mariana Trench. Throughout the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the trench was a subject of fascination, yet its extreme conditions made exploration a formidable challenge. However, humanity's thirst for knowledge is unquenchable. In 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste, carrying Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, plunged into the abyss, reaching the trench's deepest point known as Challenger Deep. This marked the first time humans had ventured to the deepest place on Earth. The descent of the Trieste was a landmark moment, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. These early explorations paved the way for further expeditions, each one pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Despite the extreme conditions, life persists in the Mariana Trench. In this alien world, where the sun's rays never reach and pressures can exceed 1,000 times that at sea level, creatures of incredible design have made their home. From ghostly snailfish, the world's deepest living fish, to gigantic amphipods, crustaceans 10 times the size of their shallow water cousins, the trench is teeming with peculiar life. Perhaps the most astonishing residents are the microbial communities thriving around hydrothermal vents. These vents spew mineral-rich, superheated water, creating an oasis in the deep sea's chill. In these extreme environments, microbes have evolved to harness chemical energy from the vents, a process called chemosynthesis, forming the foundation of a food web that exists entirely independent of sunlight. The Mariana Trench is a testament to life's incredible adaptability and resilience, thriving where we least expect it. This deep-sea ecosystem challenges our understanding of life's boundaries and broadens our perspective of existence on planet Earth. Beyond its unique biosphere, the Mariana Trench is a geological treasure trove. This mysterious abyss, deeper than Everest is tall, is a living testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. As the convergent boundary between the Pacific and Mariana plates, the trench is a hotbed of tectonic activity. Here, the Pacific plate plunges beneath the Mariana, a process known as subduction, which leads to the formation of the trench's spectacular underwater mountains and canyons. These submarine canyons, some deeper and larger than the Grand Canyon, are carved by turbidity currents, underwater landslides of sediment cascading down the trench's steep slopes. On the other hand, the underwater mountains, or seamounts, rise majestically from the trench floor, their peaks often crowned with vibrant coral reefs. In the depths, hydrothermal vents spew superheated water rich in minerals, creating chimneys of solid mineral deposits, a phenomenon that's as fascinating as it is surreal. The Mariana Trench holds keys to understanding our planet's geological history and processes. But this unique ecosystem faces threats from human activities, such as deep-sea mining and pollution. The Mariana Trench, in all its enigmatic glory, isn't immune to the human footprint. Deep-sea mining in search of valuable minerals and metals risks disrupting the trench's delicate ecological balance. Meanwhile, plastic pollution, eerily omnipresent, threatens the survival of its unique inhabitants. Conservation efforts are now more critical than ever. Some have already taken shape. For instance, the Mariana Trench Marine National Monument, established in 2009, aims to protect the trench's biodiversity. Yet, these efforts alone aren't sufficient. The call to action extends to all of us, to governments, industries, and individuals alike. We must minimize our environmental impact, champion sustainable practices, and support research and policies that prioritize marine conservation. Protecting the Mariana Trench is not just about preserving an ecosystem, it's about safeguarding a part of our planet's history and future. After all, the health of our oceans reflects the health of our planet. The Mariana Trench, a beacon of scientific curiosity and environmental stewardship, continues to captivate us. It's a mesmerizing realm where life thrives in unimaginable ways and geological wonders abound. We've embarked on a journey of discovery, propelled by technological advancements, and have begun to illuminate the mysteries of this abyssal frontier. The trench is home to extraordinary deep-sea creatures and resilient microbial communities, each challenging our perceptions of life's adaptability in extreme environments. Its landscape, punctuated by submarine canyons, hydrothermal vents, and enigmatic underwater mountains, offers profound insights into Earth's geological processes. Yet, this captivating world is not beyond the reach of human threats. Deep-sea mining and pollution loom large, endangering its delicate equilibrium. The urgency of conservation echoes through the depths, reminding us of our responsibility to safeguard this extraordinary ecosystem. As we venture deeper into its abyss, we deepen our understanding of our planet and our role in preserving its wonders. The journey into the Mariana Trench continues.